Hi there. So today my quick low effort tip is for getting £5 from ASDA. So if you are new to the shop or more specifically to their app, you have never downloaded or used it, simply look for ASDA Rewards and just do your first shop and scan with the app. The promotion is running from 12th of April until 3rd of May, and you can spend even as little as 50p, £1, you name it. Any purchase will qualify. Simply ensure you scan it while getting your goods, and then the voucher will appear in your account and you will have 6 months since for using it. So in my iPhone App Store, I see ASDA Rewards. I'm gonna get it, install it, and once installed, we open the app, we register. I accept, I register because I'm a new customer. So as mentioned, at the end of your shopping, when you're ready to pay, ensure you scan this barcode at the cash counter, and then your voucher will appear here in Cashpot. I happen to get 35p more because I bought some start product, which I wasn't even aware of, as I'm new to this app. And then your voucher will be ready for you for 6 months from the month of earning it. And the bonus point is basically you can multiply the vouchers if you manage to install the app on some other phones like work phone or partner's phone, and if you manage to do it ahead of 3rd of May when this promo finishes, and if you manage to buy at least one product. Enjoy!